number 7 has no answer. So the correct answer is 70 decibels. So nobody got the correct answer. There will be only one question, and if they first makakuha ang correct answer, will be the fourth place. So this question is for 13 seconds. So this is the question. Convert the binary number 10010, open parentheses stop close parentheses to decimal number. Again, convert the binary number 10010, and then open parentheses stop close parentheses to decimal number. Go. Parameters are as follows. Primary voltage is 240 volts, 140 turns in the primary, and 7 turns in the secondary. Again, how much is the secondary voltage of a power transformer